Hi YouTube. Remember when I bought this exercise equipment called the Power Wheel? Then I have a hard time balancing the equipment because it's actually does have a very round wheels, and the wheels are quite uh, a bit near to each other, so it's very hard to balance it, especially when you're using it with your fit exercises. It's very hard and it's very difficult for me. So what I did is I reconfigured it in order for me to use it at least a little bit easier and with more balance and stability. So here it is. So what I did is I put a spacer here so that it can accommodate both my big feet, and actually I just put and separate these wheels more apart instead of the original configuration. Now I don't have any more problem using this balance wheel because it's already stable and it's already quite good. Okay, that's it. Thank you.